Hi, I'm Craig Jones with Performance DIY, and this is
Rosa, Correa.
And we are showing you our Performance Poly 200 polyaspartic product, its sealer and coating system. So the Poly 200 is a unique system and there's no mixing. The mixture is actually by the moisture in the air, but it's still a very UV stable product and easy to apply. The only drawback to this product is it does have some odors. So, but you're going to have awesome UV stability and abrasion resistance. Any questions on this product?
No, it's a great product.
Thank you. I'm Craig Jones with Performance DIY.
Rosa, Correa.
And we thank you for your patronage, and please come to our website and check out all of our fine products. Thank you.